Morgan here with team leader Kyle of the pink team. Kyle, how you feeling this week?
Feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good.
Yeah, y'all just completed the paintball round. What's going through your mind at the moment?
It's almost deer season.
Okay. All right. And what do you want the other teams to know about the pink team? Like, as the Olympics is going on, we're getting towards the end of the week. What do they need to know?
Pink is the new red.
Pink is the new red. You heard it here first from Kyle. Thanks, guys. What's going on, you guys? Morgan here with green team leader Josh Parrish. Josh, how are you feeling today?
We're feeling pretty good right now. That shooting event went very, very well.
What do you want to let the other teams know as we continue to progress in these Olympic Games?
We're coming, baby!
You've heard it here first, the green team, Josh Parrish. Stay tuned in. You guys, Morgan here with team leader Jessica. How's everything going so far, Jessica?
We're doing great.
Now, orange team, the Olympics. How do you feel about your team so far?
We're very confident, and I think we're going to take the lead in all of this.
What do you anticipate for the rest of the week for your team?
That we're going to take home the gold.
There you go. You heard it here, orange team. Morgan here with purple team leader Laura. How's it going so far this week, Laura?
It's going awesome. We're so pumped. We're doing great.
That's right. 2 games so far. What's going through your team's mind?
You know, we're just trying to finish everything strong and just totally annihilate the whole competition.
All right, we're midway through the week. What's one thing you want to let the other teams know?
It's always the operations that just take you down.
That's right. That's right. Well, thank you so much, Laura, and keep on tuning in to the MIT Olympics. I'm here with team leader Donovan of the blue team. Donovan, how's this week been so far for you Olympic-wise?
The most stressful thing that I think I've done in the last 30 years of my life.
You just completed 2 games, paintball and cornhole. What's going through your mind right now?
Total domination.
What do you want the other teams to know about you guys as we finish out the week?
We started out on top, we were the #1 seed, and we are going to finish in total first place.
You heard it here first, folks. Donovan of the blue team. Bye! You guys, Morgan here with one of the team captains here, Larry on the yellow team. Larry, we're day 2 of the Olympics. How's everything going so far?
Going fantastic. I'd like to introduce to you my #1 ace shooter right here, Ashley. She
Hi.
did a fantastic job for Team Panda.
That's right.
Panda. That's right.
What is a piece of advice you would give to other teams as you keep progressing in this competition? Or not advice, but more so like, watch out.
Well, my other advice for other players is you're going to lose, and I won't give you good advice. Pretty much. I'm very competitive. And we're going to take it off. Gold, baby!
There you go. You heard it here first, guys. Larry from the Trash Pandas. Okay, bye!